Have you ever looked at a tiny drawing and thought, that's so small, but why do I suddenly want it on my hand? Well, today you're in the right place because we're showcasing 500 plus small pencil drawings that are perfect for tattoos and mehendi art. Hello art lovers, welcome back to Tattoo 18. Don't underestimate these little designs. They may be tiny, but they have personalities bigger than your phone's storage warning. From hearts, stars, moons, flowers, butterflies, arrows, crowns, feathers, smiley faces, mountains, waves, zodiac symbols, tiny animals, spiritual icons, and creative abstract art. There's something here for everyone. Some designs symbolize love, some represent strength, some bring luck, and some are simply so cute that they don't need an explanation. The best part? These designs are unisex. Whether you're a boy looking for a bold minimalist tattoo, or a girl searching for a delicate mehendi or tattoo design, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. Pick the one that matches your personality, or mix a few together and create your own unique artwork. If you're a beginner artist, these pencil drawings are also great for daily practice. Since they're small, you can sketch several designs in just a few minutes. Before you know it, your drawing skills will improve without even realizing it. It's much easier than trying to draw a giant dragon on your first day, unless you enjoy turning dragons into confused-looking lizards. Tattoo lovers can use these ideas for fingers, wrists, ankles, behind the ear, neck, shoulder, forearm, or anywhere they want a clean, minimalist look. Mehendi artists can also use these drawings to decorate hands, fingers, feet, greeting cards, journals, or DIY craft projects. Remember, every tattoo tells a story. Even the smallest symbol can represent a lifetime of memories. A tiny heart may remind you of someone special. A small mountain may represent your biggest achievement. A little wave could remind you to stay calm, even when life feels like Monday morning traffic. Don't rush while choosing your design. Save your favorites, compare them, and think about what they mean to you. After all, good art lasts forever, and so do most tattoos. Which design is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to know whether you prefer cute animals, meaningful symbols, floral designs, geometric art, or simple line drawings. If you'd like tutorials on how to draw these designs step by step, tell us in the comments as well. We'll be happy to create beginner-friendly videos just for you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our creative journey. Your likes, comments, and shares help us bring more amazing art content every single day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tattoo ideas, mehendi designs, pencil drawing tutorials, and creative art inspiration. Keep drawing, keep creating, and remember, sometimes the tiniest design leaves the biggest impression. See you in the next video.